Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to password protect WordPress site. Let's get started. So what we can do in this is we can head over and then install a plugin. So search in here for password protect. And then once you have searched for it, you should be able to see in here some search results related to that. Now you can see in here this PPWP that can password protect pages, posts, multiple passwords, and even your entire website. So head over and click on this install right here, and then from there it will begin the installation process. Once it's been installed, you should be able to see in here also an activation or activate button. So click on this right here in order to begin the activation of this particular plugin. Then from there, click on this refresh now in order to refresh your WordPress site. Once it's been installed, you can see in here this password protect WordPress. So head over and click on it right here. Then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the settings for that. You can see this right here. So just put in here the poster protection. But what we want to do with this one is to just head over and then use it on all our actual page. Now just head over and then tweak it to your liking. You can choose pages, posts, categories, and all of this, as well as your whole site in order to make this hidden right here. Then once you're done with that, just head over and click on the save changes, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.